Hi, this video is from intv.com. intv.com is a job portal. Welcome to Jquery tutorial. In this video, I'm going to talk about Jquery syntax basics. The Jquery syntax is made of selecting elements, HTML elements, and performing some action on the selected elements. So you select the elements from the DOM tree or select the elements from the HTML web page, and after selecting, do some action. And this dollar symbol represents Jquery. Okay, again I want to repeat. Jquery syntax goes like this. So dollar symbol represents Jquery, and the selector, I want to select the exact elements, HTML elements from the web page, and after selecting the specific element, I want to do some action. Okay, so this is the basic Jquery syntax. The dollar sign defined to access Jquery library, and I told you selector to find or query HTML elements from the web page or DOM. The Jquery action to be performed on the selected elements. I'll give you some example. I have some demo code. I'll be showing it to you now. So examples are, I have a form button. So this is my selector. In the sense, I will try to get this element using the ID from the HTML page, and this is the action. What I want to do, I want to hide. Okay, and there are other actions like click, show. Okay, there are different types of APIs available in Jquery. And the next example is all the P elements, the paragraph elements will be hidden. So this is the selector and this is the action. So this is the current element, this means current element, and this is the action. So dot big means, when you use dog, that means dot means class. So hide all the elements with class big. And here button, find out the element button and click. So if you see the pattern, it is like get the element from the HTML page and do some action. Okay, if you see this is the basic syntax for Jquery. And as you all know, these type of code should be, all the Jquery code should be placed inside the document.ready. It is best practice to wait for the document to be fully loaded and ready before executing your JavaScript. Now I'll show you the demo code so that you can understand. This is a very simple page. So when I click on this button, I'm going to get a pop-up alert message, and this syntax, this paragraph will be removed. I'll show you the code, then you will understand. So this is the code. I have included the Jquery library in this HTML page. Then I have a div called my div. Okay, within that I have placed some statements. So the intention is, when I click on this button, there is a button actually with ID button. So when I click on this button, this div should be hidden. Okay, so this is the selector. Using ID, we are selecting an element from this HTML page and we are doing some action. This is what I was trying to tell you. So find out the element, whichever element you want from the HTML page, and do some action on that page. Okay, so here we are trying to find out the my div element using the ID and doing hide action on that particular element. Let me show you. I'm going to do a F5, then I'm going to click on this button. Let's see what happens. If you see here, the paragraph has been hidden. Again, I'll show you. You can see here the paragraph is coming now. When I click on this button, paragraph will be removed. Okay, yes. So this is the basic Jquery syntax. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.